In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Task List in Microsoft Loop. First, head to Microsoft Loop in your browser. Loop is a flexible workspace where your team can think, plan, and track work together. Once you're in, choose an existing workspace or create a new one. A workspace is simply a container for related pages and components. So pick a name that makes it easy for teammates to find later. Inside the workspace, create a new page. Think of a page as your canvas. Give it a clear title, then click into the body of the page. Now let's add a task list. Type a / to open the command menu, start typing task, and select task list. Click task list to insert it onto the page. You'll see columns for the task name, who it's assigned to, and a due date. Add your first task, press enter to add more, and use the drag handle to reorder them as priorities change. You can mark tasks complete right from here when they're done. To assign work and set deadlines, click in the Assign to column and choose the teammate responsible. They'll receive a notification so nothing slips through the cracks. In the Due Date column, use the Date Picker to add a deadline. This keeps timing visible to everyone at a glance. Clear owners and dates are the key to turning plans into action. Here's a powerful bonus of using loop tasks. They sync with Microsoft Planner and Microsoft To Do. That means the person you assign will see the task automatically in My Tasks, alongside the rest of their work. Updates flow both ways, so checking off a task in any of these places reflects everywhere. When you're ready to collaborate beyond this page, turn the list into a loop component, click the waffle icon and convert it. You can then paste and use that same live component in Microsoft Teams chats and channels, Outlook emails, or Microsoft Whiteboard. Everyone edits the same source and changes update in real time wherever it's embedded. Finally, choose the view that suits your workflow. Switch between the default table view and the board view, which presents tasks in a Kanban-style layout. Use board view when you want to move items across stages. Just drag a card to the next column as it progresses. And that's it. You've set up a workspace, created a page, built a task list, assigned owners and dates, connected it across Microsoft 365, shared it as a live component, and switched views to match your style. Try it on your next project and keep your team perfectly aligned.